guys, I'm back with another wig review and I'm using MILISAHAIR. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So the unit comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps. So this unit wasn't pre-plugged, like seriously it wasn't. So this is all the hair that I removed just by plucking just around the front of the unit. I did not even plug around the sides, like seriously it was too dense. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and personalize this front of you guys. Like for your own information, I thought that this bold cap was actually almost true to my skin tone, but yeah, I lied. Okay, I got it wrong this time. It was just too dark, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I had to make it work, you know, for now. So yeah, I hope you guys will stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial. Just using my lower body mousse just to define my padding a little bit more. The padding space is very limited, so you got only this padding space, which is really something that I don't really love. I love my padding to be a deep pad, you know what I'm saying? So I hope they will definitely come up, like offer like some deep pad as well for people like me. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my stretching comb, and this will lay your unit down. Like seriously, it does work wonders. Okay, girls who love their units to be a little bit natural, okay, this doesn't look like too thick or too full. It is like sort of in the middle, if you understand what I'm saying. So if you wanna like a natural looking unit, you can actually go ahead and purchase this unit because it is absolutely flawless. Like you see guys, I haven't even straightened the hair. The hair looks bone straight from the box. Okay, this is what we all love in it. Like we just love that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and define my padding a little bit more. As you can see, it is almost like invisible.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to.
This is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this unit. It is very cute and it feels so amazing and so silky. Like the fact that this unit comes like bone straight, that surprised me, because most units when they do come packaged, they sort of you know, lose their shape, and you know what I'm saying. But this did not lose its shape. It looks absolutely amazing and flawless. So I really love the texture. It is absolutely good. I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.